Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Alright.
One Zidane. What is this in the Friday morning, yeah?
Ziddy.
See what it is?
Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up to the self, man. Now look at Ziddy. Boy. We have to laugh at the people. We have to laugh and we just respect the soldier them. You understand? If you just continue, do them other people go and patrol and they will pave their mind. Because look at Ziddy not easy still, you know. Him not easy people. You don't know. Very funny youth. Very funny youth. Make a lot of people smile. Make a lot of people laugh and them thing there. You know what I mean? But on a real level people, you are going to be truthful. Now, you will laugh. You will have fun. But on a real level, no joke not really in this still in the people. No joke not really in this. Because what if something shall happen now? Brother Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Maybe Ziddy hand and him foot them are going to run left him head or something, my people. You understand? Because I know if him pop. When him done tear down the wall over this and run gone. You know what I mean? But as we say people, he's a very funny youth. Love make people smile. Love put a smile on people's face. And you know, look a comedian still, but yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, you know. For the people, have fun for them watch him in them way of people. And for the soldier, them as me tell her, them not busy with him. But me I say, what if something shall happen there? When I say the soldier, them, you know what I mean? And him have it good to cock it and you say, when him ready like him, I go beat it people and crank it up like fishing when and he ready to go. You understand? And that's Ziddy, man. You don't know the thing of my people, so we're there. Sometimes we have to have a look at different things on the channel too, you know. We can't just stay the one we and you don't know the attacking basket to work my people. So you don't know one of them reaction thing and we just have to go and bless up on yourself, man, and go and stay safe and go and do the right thing, you understand? And you don't know, keep a positive mind frame, because without a positive mind frame, people, we in a trouble, we in a problem, you understand? Once you have negativity surround your system, I tell you say trouble did it, problem did it, and attack did it. So you don't know the thing, man. Please remember to do like, do share and do comment and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Thanks for the love, my people. Thanks for the support. One team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out, my people. Enough love, enough respect. Attack them, NEWLINK.